Today we're gonna learn what an RV is. Do you know what an RV is? No, we're not talking about a recreational vehicle in this instance. We're talking about an aeroplane. Well, I suppose it can also be a recreational vehicle, but no, we're talking about the aeroplane today, RV. I was recently at an RV day. That's where I got this cap. You can see there it says Vans Aircraft 50 years. Vans is the V in RV. Well, sort of. Actually, RV is short for Richard van Grunswin. Well, that's a pronunciation I heard. Since the guy is in America, it might be Van Grunswin. I do not know, so we'll stick to Richard van Grunswin. I think that's the easiest pronunciation. Who is that, you ask? Well, Richard van Grunswin is the guy who first designed the first RV. Yeah, he started the RVs. They are aeroplanes. I believe they sell them as kits, aeroplane kits, and then people can buy it and they can use the parts, assemble them and build their own aircraft thereby. Yeah, apparently a lot of people are doing it across the world. As you can see at this RV event at Kitty Hawk Airport. Actually no, it's an aerodrome. Kitty Hawk Aerodrome. An aerodrome is like an airport, but it's not technically an airport. It still lacks some of the technical details, I'm not sure what. But yeah, they do have an airfield where airplanes take off and land all the time. So anyway, Kitty Hawk hosted this RV day and a lot of people came, and about, I would say, 95 to 98% of everybody who came in their RVs. You get 2-seater RVs and 4-seater RVs. And yeah, at this event you can come and eat a delicious breakfast. I believe it's free for pilots. Other people can also come, but they have to pay. But yeah, I would say it was worth it. The scrambled eggs really was delicious. It was salted just right. Probably the most delicious scrambled eggs and bacon I've had in years. I myself have never been able to get it that delicious as it was on that morning. So thank you to the people who made that. I know the person in charge is Lynette Breitenbach. She's in charge of the kitchen and the clubhouse. Very good scrambled eggs and bacon, I must say. So then, now you know what an RV aeroplane is and who's making them. Vans Aircraft. Vans is short for Van Grunswin. Alright, hit the like and subscribe button please, and we'll talk about some more stuff in the next video. Peace!